How to download and install Binance app on desktop PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to download and install Binance app on desktop PC. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. In order to download the application on PC, firstly, make sure your device is connected to a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and open App Store on your device. Tap on the search bar there and search for Binance application, and then tap on the Binance option. Now, if you have previously downloaded the application, then you will see the little cloud-like icon there. So tap on that for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. So go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there, and this is how you can install the Binance application on your PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.